Managing employee accounts in the admin portal is designed to be simple, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Start in the Participants section, where you can view all employees on your account. You can quickly search using a full or partial name, and the system will return matching results. Click into any employee record to view their details. At the top, you'll see the Demographics section. If anything needs to be updated, just use the pencil icon to make edits. Below that, you'll see all accounts associated with the employee, including plan details like begin and end dates, election amounts, and per pay period contributions, giving you a clear, complete view in one place. If you need to add a new account, click Add Account. Enter the effective date, and the system will automatically show you the plans available for that employee, so it's easy to select the right option. From there, enter the employee's election amount and review card details. The system will let you know if a card is automatically issued or if any action is needed. You can also update the shipping address if necessary. Before finalizing, you'll see a preview screen to quickly confirm everything is correct. Once finished, the account is added and immediately reflected in the employee's record. You can easily switch between accounts to view plan-specific details, add dependents using the plus button, and manage card activity, including status and mailing updates. You'll also be able to view any deposits posted to the employee's account, all in one place. Everything is designed to give you visibility and control without added complexity. That's managing employee accounts made simply smarter.